How to change your phone number on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your phone number on Twitter. First you go to Twitter and then click here, and now go to setting and privacy, and now click your account, this one, and then click this one, and then click phone, and then just click affiliate phone number, and then type your password here and click next, and then you will be able to change your phone number. And that's how to change your phone number on Twitter. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.